In this video, we will teach how to use the carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide detection control panels. We will start by seeing how to solve an incident that the control panel's office tells us. As an example, we will cause a breakdown by removing a detector. The control panel will find an element that does not answer and will indicate the fault. We can stop the buzzer with the button indicated at the bottom left. Pressing enter will show us more information about the fault. With the right cursor, we see the area where it has occurred. We solve the fault, in this case repositioning the detector. In the control panel, we press the reset button, enter the password 27 and confirm with enter that we want to reset the fault. It is possible to monitor the elements to obtain information about them. We enter the menu with code 27, select Monitor, the zone number and the query point. With the cursors, we can navigate between the zones and the different elements. In the main menu, we can access the history that will indicate the last incidents of the control panel. We see in which zone it has occurred, the point where it has been detected, and its programming number, the date, and its identifying label. The control panel also allows you to consult a summary of the configuration. In the main menu, we select System Configuration, Configure, and then Configuration Summary. Now, we will see how to change the ventilation and alarm activation parameters. In the main menu, we select System Configuration, Configure, Zone Configuration, Activation Parameters. We indicate the zone to configure. Selecting the menu and moving with the cursors allows us to vary the level of concentration detection that we want to program in the control panel. We press enter to save the values. We can change the zone labels in the same menu as before. We select System Configuration, Configure, Configure Zones, and finally Edit Zone Label. We indicate the area to be labeled. On the right side, we have a summary of the characters that we can select with the cursors. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.